you wonder why the word rapture isn't written in the scripture, Jesus had to be coy, so we painted a picture with the portrayal and the prophecies. Now there ain't nothing stopping me. The sky is not the limit, because the rest is for eternity. Until that day we love our enemies and pray for them to open their eyes to see how awesome God can really be. Keep your eyes on the skies, and I know one thing, that is reflections don't lie. And the pictures of the sun that are showing the anomalies are not just what the camera sees, they are reflected in the water. So that's proof to see, but you'll only understand if you truly believe that Jesus is coming, so always be ready. Just like he sits at the Father's right hand, let him be yours in everything that you can. Caught up in the clouds. We'll be caught up in the clouds like a thief in the night. Two will be together and one will take a flight. Like eagles we will soar up into the sky, and all the tears will be dried. There will be no more pride. All the glory to the King who chose us to take that ride. When the trumpet sounds, you will know he's coming down. Revelations. Revelations. Heaven is the goal, and Jesus is the ticket that the Father sacrificed to save the pure hearts from the wicked. No matter how much you've tried, you could not pay to be alive for all the sin that you committed before you knew that it was sinning, but he gave us a chance to start over again. Let your faith have no end. All of God's promises are sure to be true. He said if you just ask in Jesus' name, that he will do. Revelations. Revelations. When the trumpet sounds, you will know he's coming down. Revelations. When the trumpet sounds, when the trumpet sounds, you will know he's coming down.